Hey, what's up guys? My name is John, and before I get started with this video, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. It really does mean a lot to me, and if you want to show your support, that would be great. Hit that like button and subscribe down below. It will help me out greatly with growing this channel, and as always guys, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so today we're going to be going over 3 tips on how you can start saving money easily as a teenager or a young adult. Now these tips are going to be really helpful, and they're fairly simple so anyone can do them. So number one is buy stuff on clearance and on sale. Now this is a really simple step here, and it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. Now when it comes to buying stuff on clearance, basically you're going to be saving a few dollars here, a few dollars here, and it's going to add up to a lot at the end of the week. Now I say a few dollars, but on big items it could be 50, 60, it could even be over $100. Now this is going to really save you a lot of money here. Now, assuming that you work only a part-time job and, maybe you're 20 or maybe, you're 16 or whatever, you're not going to be making a lot of money whatsoever. You might be lucky to even make $200 a week. So every dollar is really going to count, and especially if you didn't really have much of a savings before you started working, it's going to be really hard for you to start saving money now. Okay, so for number 2, now this is really simple as well. This is for people that really have no clue on how to really manage money too well, and that is to create a budget plan. Now, all you need for this is a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper or a notebook. Now, basically figure out how much you make per week. So say you do make $200 a week. Subtract all your different expenses that count, such as, gas bill, car insurance, phone bill, whatever you have to pay. Now, if you don't have to pay anything, then you have even more advantage, so you don't really need to do this. But if you do have to pay stuff, it'd be really simple to do this. So, say it's $15, subtract that from $200. Subtract, $30 from the $200 for your gas bill, whatever it may be. Now, whatever you got left over, try to figure out what the best amount to save is per week. Now, if you just got a job, I understand it's going to be really hard to save your money. Many people kind of go out and they start spending their money really fast when they first get a job. However, try not to fall into this category. Try to save your money here. If you can, go for a high 50% savings per week, and that's going to really help you out in the long run. Now, if you can't do that, if you're someone that just loves to spend money and you really can't help it, the only thing I can tell you is this. Try to aim for a good 30-35%, and if you can increase that some weeks or go higher with it in the meantime, that would be great. But just try to go around that range. You can always go a little bit lower, a little bit over, as the weeks go by. But at the end of the year, guys, you're going to have quite a good savings if you do that. So just try and keep that in mind. Okay, guys, so for number 3, last but not least, is buy the cheaper alternative. I'm not telling you to go and buy a knockoff item or buy something super cheap that's just going to break the next day. Not at all. In fact, I'll give you guys a quick example. Let's just say you want to buy a pair of Yeezys. Now, you're someone that you're into that kind of stuff, but paying $700 for a pair of shoes is kind of a lot of money. Well, simple as this. Figure out something that's somewhat similar, that has, maybe by the same brand, has like the same sort of like technology in it. As example, an Ultra Boost or an NMD. Something like that is going to be a much cheaper alternative to a pair of Yeezys, and it's still going to have the Boost technology. It's still going to be a nice looking shoe, comfortable, and for the price, you can't go wrong. So, as example, for me, I ended up buying a tan pair of Ultra Boosts instead of a tan pair of Yeezys because the Yeezys were like 700 used or more, and the Ultra Boosts were only 180 new. And believe it or not, guys, it was still a really good looking shoe. It does the job, it's comfortable, and I still get to wear it all the time, and I don't have to worry so much if it gets dirty. So right there, I'm already saving myself over like $500 something, and it's really going to help out in the long run, guys. I can promise you that. It's good sometimes to go with, what you really want. But if you can go on the cheaper alternative side on certain things, it's going to save you a lot of money. So if that's something that you truly want later on, you're going to have enough money to buy it. I'm going to end the video right here. I just want to say thank you for watching if you watched all the way to the end. Don't forget, like and subscribe, like I said earlier in the video. And if you guys have any more tips, leave in the comments down below, help other people out. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.